A review of the Done For You Services System. Product by Wesley Virgin and Ariella Iorio. What is Done For You Services? Done For You Services System is a product launched by Wesley billion-dollar Virgin and his business partner on this product, Ariella Iorio. At the time of the launch, Wesley says no other internet marketer is doing what they are doing in the Done For You marketing services system. Who can find the Done For You services really useful? People tired of the 9-to-5 work routine. Affiliate marketing entrepreneurs that are struggling to make a breakthrough in affiliate commissions. Internet marketing newbies who do not want to spend time learning by trial and error. People who like to work from home or wherever they are, as long as there is an internet connection. How was Done For You services created? The problem with a lot of internet marketing programs, I bought them all, probably you have as well, it's too confusing. You don't know which ads to post to get people to your offer. You don't know what type of website to create. What type of landing page, what is a pixel, what's a CPM, what is EPC? So, Wesley and Ariella have created this system to help both newbie affiliate marketers and struggling affiliate marketers. First, Wesley did the Done For You marketing services for Ariella before putting this system to the general public. Ariella made $600,000 in 4 months. So that's when Wesley said, how about we help other people? So Wesley and Ariella spent about a year, and they have spent a lot of money to create what is called the Done For You marketing services system. Joint offer from Wesley and Ariella. It's a joint offer from Wesley and Ariella. Done For You affiliate marketer system where they just do it for everybody to get their first sale. They have done a webinar which Ariella kindly did because she's the newbie. Ariella's the newbie. She made all the money after being taught by Wesley billion-dollar Virgin, and now she's teaching people how she did it. She's going one more step further, and she's actually doing it for people who join the Done For You services system program. People have landing pages created for them. In fact, Wesley and Ariella make available everything that they are doing currently in their business to people who come on board. People make their first sales quickly and can scale up using the techniques in the Done For You services system to make thousands of dollars per month with ease. Why Ariella is teaching on this program? Ariella made $600,000 as a newbie. She's actually showing people what she did to do it, but she's going one more step. And now she's actually doing it for you, which means this: she's gonna give you the ads. She's gonna give you the copy, she's gonna create the landing page for you. She's gonna do all this stuff for you so you can make your first sale online. Ask yourself a question? Ask yourself a question. Are you wasting time right now and you don't know what product to promote? Do you want to use underground techniques to generate more money on your social media? Like your Facebook and your Instagram? Well, check out this free training that this young lady, who made over $600,000 in 4 months, is giving here. 3% of people are making money on the internet while 97% of people are making nothing. 3% of people are making money on the internet while 97% of people are making nothing because people are not telling people what they really need to do. Do you know the average internet marketer makes $0 when they start in the first 2 years? Ariella did it, and you can do it too. And you're being invited to this free training here. Wesley billion-dollar Virgin didn't make any money for 6 years, and it's because people, internet gurus, were not giving people what they actually needed to have in order to make money on the internet. Success leaves clues. Success leaves clues. You can stand on the shoulders of giants. Wesley billion-dollar Virgin says he wanted to do his purpose for life, and that is making people like you and me rich. The hardest challenge is getting people to take action. If you are not going to take action, they advise you not to join the program because you have to take action in order to see results. You got to trust someone. You got to trust someone. You need to go through that training. This gentle lady Ariella, when she met Wesley, she didn't know anything about the internet. She wasn't a technical person, and as a matter of fact, she's still not technical, but yet she's earning about $60,000, $70,000 per month. Amazing. Although Ariella is not technical, but one thing she does well is listen when Wesley billion-dollar Virgin speaks. She doesn't quit listening, she shut her mouth and she listens. What it is, when a millionaire speaks you shut your mouths. You listen and you absorb everything. They have traveled the path you intend to travel. Don't let another year go by doing the same thing. In this program, Wesley and Ariella basically give people everything that they're doing themselves, and this is why they're earning some money. It's time to make money. Don't let another year go by doing the same thing that you're doing here today based off your procrastination and your logic behavior. It's time to let go of your procrastination and self-doubt mindset. Wesley and Ariella are excited about this offer, so they are telling people about this offer. Why? Because it's good, it's a great offer, and it is helping people win. Done for you services, pros. If you do what successful people do, you too would be successful. This is a proven done for you system that will get you to earn your first sale fast. You will have 95% of the work needed to be done for you. All you have to do is the other 5%. This system removes guesswork. They have most of the data to target your campaigns on groups of people that have already been identified. Done for you services, cons. If you do not have a Facebook account, then you won't derive maximum benefit, although you can still use the other options such as Instagram account and YouTube. Done for you services review, conclusion. If you want to promote the right products so you don't waste time and money, 97% are doing this wrong as a newbie. Discover the underground techniques to generate affiliate sales using your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Discover the strategy to get product owners to do 95% of the work on your behalf with no cost. Then check out the Done For You services link given in the description below. Yes, the link to check it out is in the description below. Subscribe and like. Subscribe to our channel if you like what we publish. And don't forget to like this video if there was even just one thing you liked about it.